Welcome to DoorDash. This video outlines everything you need to know to set up your restaurant's menu on our platform. Hey there, my name is Cesar. I'm a Merchant Success Manager at DoorDash.
I'm Mario, the owner of Panineria, New York City.
Mario, you've been operating on DoorDash for a while now. How are things going?
Pretty good, but I think I can get more out of my menu. Can DoorDash help me with that?
Definitely. Your menu is what sets you apart from the competition, and it's what earns you sales, so it's important to get it right. To start, your DoorDash menu should have categories just like your physical menu does. Salads, pastas, sandwiches. Because people are ordering on smartphones, this can help customers quickly find what they're looking for. You can make all your menu updates in real time through the merchant portal or on the go through the DoorDash Business Manager app. From here, you can quickly make changes and check out our personalized insights to help you maximize profitability and drive more orders.
Sounds like more money in my pocket. Okay. How do I add items to my menu and how should it be organized?
To add menu items, log into the merchant portal, tap Menu, then Menu Manager. Tap the red Add button and select New Item. A pop-up box will appear where you can add the product name, price, category, and a description of the new item. If you're not sure how to describe something on your menu, DoorDash can draft AI-generated menu descriptions that you can edit. Far and above, the most important part of your DoorDash menu is your photography. This can make or break a customer's decision on whether or not to order a meal. DoorDash shows that photos can improve sales up to 44% and descriptions can improve sales up to 18%. If you fancy yourself an amateur photographer, feel free to check out our online menu photography guide in the Learning Center for tips on lighting, artful plate arrangement, and more. But if you'd rather use a professional, our photoshoot service will provide you with up to 20 high-quality photos of your menu items and a header shot for your store, at no cost to you. To request a photoshoot, all you need to do is fill out a quick form. Back in the Menu Manager, click the red button at the bottom of the page to add a photo. Upload your file. On the next screen, you can preview, resize, and crop your image. Click Save when finished. Your new item is ready to go.
It looks like we're out of spicy salame. Hey Cesar, how do I update item availability?
Easy. In the Menu Manager, just click the drop-down menu under Item Status. Choose how long you want to mark the item out of stock for. For more information on how to adjust and optimize your menu, check out our articles on menu setup in the Learning Center. Thanks for joining the DoorDash family. We're glad you're here.